And can you tell us a little bit about the tradition of the carpets and the procession?
Yeah, the tradition of the carpet and the procession is very important for us. First of all, for many years, Comayagua, since it was one of the first capital, or the second capital of Honduras, this Spain culture, brought a lot of stuff to make the people convert to be part of the Catholic people, okay? So they started to put a carpet, and they know that was part of give us the thanks of God, to remember what He did for us. So today, this procession is one of the main value for all the country. And the city has split it in 4 sectors, so there's another churches, doing the same thing in different places. But this is one of the main one that covered a lot. The effort of the people is very valuable because they work through the night to make sure the carpets are done. So when we go out with the bishop and we score him all around the town, it's very important to us because he always pray, bless, and clean the city.
Which of them do you think they started last night building the carpets?
Well, we, as firefighters and base 2, Sorocano, and La Paz Fire Department also, our job is to clean the street. Yesterday changed a lot because give us more time. We start early. So people start to build the carpet around 7:30.
And work through the night?
Work through the night. Other years give us a little hard time because we finish to clean the street around 10, 11 o'clock, and they start to build a carpet. So it takes no many hours to build whatever they decided to build for the next day.
And when the procession begins, they'll actually walk across those carpets, correct?
Yes, we try to avoid the crossroom carpet until the bishop does first, and then where everybody can do it. And City Hall is a teamwork that immediately they come in.